Mahajan Electronics, which has been established by Mr. Subhash Mahajan, has been in existence for more than 3 decades, if I'm not mistaken, and I have seen them growing over the years. He has been a very genuine and a trustworthy dealer for the consumers. He's got a big clientele, and for several years he's been, giving his services, products and services to the consumer. For Voltas, we have got a special place for Mahajan Electronics. They have been dealing with us for last couple of years, and we are opening up this brand shop here to showcase our entire range of, wide range of products, including air conditioners, refrigerators, washing machines, microwave ovens, dishwashers. Voltas, as you know, has got a market leadership position. We are a leading brand in the air conditioning category with about 26-27% market share month-on-month basis for several years now. We've been brand leaders for more than a decade now, right from 2011-12 onwards. Voltas has been able to not only achieve the leadership position but has been able to sustain also. And very recently we've introduced air coolers last 2-3 years, and the wide range of Voltas Beko range of appliances, refrigerator, washing machine. With this upcoming of this showroom, probably this is the first experience center, if I have to say. Brand shops we've got many, but this is the first brand experience center which has been opened up in Delhi. Earlier on we had opened one in Haryana and Faridabad. So I'm sure with upcoming of this showroom, we will be able to offer all our products and services in a better way to our consumers. So we look forward to this association for next few decades. Thank you and congratulations to all of you.